message to all parents, all laboratory technicians, all pharmacists, all primary school and school authorities throughout the world. I am going to give you a very important message, and please take this message very seriously. If a child, your own child or somebody's child, is found to complain progressive weakness over days, weeks, months, progressive weakness, feeling tired, exhausted, initially eating more then eating less, and losing weight in spite of eating more, feeling very thirsty, drinking lots of water during day and night, and passing lots of urine frequently and in large amount during day and night, feels tired, exhausted, dehydrated, and when nothing is done at this stage, child stops playing, reduces food, and then within couple of hours he may complain of breathlessness without fever and a cough, severe pain in abdomen, and a drowsiness. And in this situation, child may really become unconscious. All this will come in a progressive manner. So at any stage, if parents think of diabetes in children and they take the child to the laboratory and check one random blood sugar, no fasting, no after food, random blood sugar. And if that blood sugar is more than 200, then suspect diabetes in child. At the same time, do urine sugar and urine ketone. When blood sugar is more than 200, urine sugar is always positive. And if at this time, if urine ketone is positive, even trace, then the child is in serious emergency situation called diabetic ketosis. Immediately reconfirm blood sugar, urine sugar and urine ketone there and then in the same lab. And if it confirms, immediately take the child to the nearby nursing home and inform them. Don't ask them, inform them that they are suspecting juvenile diabetes in this child and request them to give intravenous saline and no glucose saline, because glucose saline will kill the child. That will be the last straw on camel's back. And request them to give insulin as per the body weight of the child, and for that you need a family doctor or a physician or a diabetologist or endocrinologist who is well versed in management of diabetes of children, and right amount of rehydration and right amount of insulin as per the blood sugar over few hours will save the life of a child, and you can save child from dying. And why this emergency is important? Because if you do not suspect, lab may tell you in the evening that they are suspecting high blood sugar, but they want to re-verify. So next day you are called, 24 hours are lost. Again they verify that and they give report on the next day. So 48 hours are lost, and these 48 hours are crucial. It can kill the child in 48 hours. So take the decision on the spot and provide rehydration with a normal saline, no glucose saline, and supplement right amount of insulin. What will happen because of this thing? Body is suffering from insulin deficiency, acute insulin deficiency, which has given rise to this serious state. So when you provide right amount of hydration and right amount of insulin, you are safeguarding, number one, beta cells of pancreas which produce insulin. Number two, brain, number 3 heart, number 4 lungs, number 5 liver, number 6 kidneys, number 7 all the muscles in the body, number 8 the whole endothelium lining all over the body. So all these things are suffering because of the acute insulin deficiency and acute dehydration. And once you do that, you are safeguarding all this, and because of this, child is protected throughout the life. Because if time is wasted, most of the dying beta cells will die, and your beta cell reserve will become small, less. Against that, when you give proper rehydration and insulin, your beta cells will survive. Dying will stop dying, and they will become sick. Sick will be exhausted. Exhausted will be converted into normal beta cells, and normal into happy beta cells. So the whole beta cell mass which has died will die, that is over, but rest will survive, and this survival of beta cell will improve the child very rapidly and for rest of the years to come. This is my message to all the parents, all the laboratory technicians, all school authorities, all pharmacists that suspect this condition and treat this condition on the spot immediately and save the child. This message must reach all the parents, because when and whose child will get, we do not know. But if we have this information, then we will act in time and save the child. Thank you.